Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a cute, simple little scene for my slimline card. Today I'm using the CC Designs Create a Scene background stamps, and I do still have some available in the shop, so I'll have it linked in the description box. This is a real nice set to create some trees in your backgrounds. There's a little sun and cloud that I used, and then there's different sized trees. So for the smaller trees, I like to put them up on a hill back in the distance. And this makes for a really cute scene. Very easy to do, as you can see. So I'm just stamping out the two trees, one at the top for my hill and one in the foreground. So here's how I make the hills. I take my Copic marker and simply just draw in the hills. Easy, right? Now I'm trying to figure out where I want my cute little images, and these are images from our new release from the Picnic Fun stamp set. We have an inspiration hop going on right now featuring all the new stamp sets from the new release. So I hope you've been enjoying that and getting lots of inspiration. So here I am taking my darkest green and coloring up the edges, leaving the top of the hill for my lightest color for the highlight. So grab 3 shades of green and shade your hills from dark to lightest. The lightest being at the highest point of your hill. Here I'm adding some tufts of grass just for some added texture to the scene. Now it's time to color in the sky. The technique I'm using here I learned from My Creative Scoop. What I'm doing is laying down my darker blue and then fading it off into white. So I'll use a lighter blue and then I'll fade it into the white background. That way I don't have to use all my Copic markers on the sky. I don't want to waste any ink if I don't need to. That's why I love this technique. It gives the illusion of a blue sky. For added texture on my trees, I'm taking my marker and just swirling around the color, kind of making circles and squiggles. It just gives the illusion of added texture and leaves in the trees. I'm using the sentiment "Time for a Break" from our other stamp set Summertime Buddies. Don't be afraid to mix and match your stamps. I thought the sentiment would look really cute curved around that umbrella. Now that all our stamping is done, let's remove the backing from our adhesive and add our panel to our card base. Now for the fun part, arranging the images on the card, creating a cute scene. So I think I want that banner in the corner there. I'm going to place my little panda bear in front of the tree. I have to line up my little picnic table right under my sentiment. Make sure that it's straight and in the right spot. I decided to color the bird as a black bird. So I used my gray markers and orange for his beak. I colored the panda with blue for his little overalls so they look like jean overalls. And my overall color scheme is the red, blue, and gray. So I'll finish adhering my little images, and I always decorate the back of my card. I love using pattern paper. It's a good way to use up your pattern paper, and it also makes the card a lot sturdier, and plus it looks cute. So I hope you enjoyed this card today, and I hope you're enjoying all the inspiration for the new release. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll see ya in the next video. Bye, guys!